myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. India reported 67,208 new coronavirus cases and 2,330 deaths in the last 24 hours. With this, country overall case load rose to 2.97 crore while the death toll surged to 3.81 lakh. Kerala remains the top contributor with 13,270 cases. The number of active cases dropped to 8.26 lakh, the lowest in 71 days. Weeks after announcing the cancellation of Class 12 board, CBSE submitted before the Supreme Court its evaluation criteria for awarding marks for Class 12 exam. The Class 12 result will be decided on the basis of performance in Class 10 30% weightage, Class 11 30% weightage, and Class 12 40% weightage. Collectively, CBSE told the apex court. Kerala is set to gradually ease lockdown restriction from today onward following a decline in daily reported case. However, a complete lockdown will continue in the state during the weekend. Shop selling essential goods will remain open between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m., while public transport will be permitted to partially operate. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy, healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. The state government has strongly objected to the decision to dissolve the RMD headquarters in Kolkata. Minister of State of Finance Dr. Amit Mitra sent a letter to Union Steel Minister Dharmendra Pradhan intervening in the matter and appealed to the Steel Ministry officials sitting in the cell board to withdraw the decision to dissolve the RMD headquarters and save the further of Baranpur and Durgapur steel plants.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। Get up to 50% scholarship for session 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 9434 8222.
Working editor Vikas Prasad reporting. Trinamool Congress Worker Organization ION protested against the central government decision to remove the raw material division RMD from Bengal. TTUC shared a protest in front of Durgapur Steel Factory on Thursday morning. The event was attended by activist supporters of the organization. Urgent requirement TVS Hero Motocrop Limited, Neemrana, Rajasthan, Hero Chowk. All the salary benefits and all the company benefits were given here. The age limit is 18 to 25 only, and you can give your resume to this given WhatsApp number. On the one hand, the consumption of corona, on the other hand, the jobless in lockdown. There is a no form on central government. There is a no vision on how the common people are living. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Asansol North Block Congress submitted a memorandum against load shedding in a rail power area. It was led by SM Mustafa, Mamoon Rashid, MD Rakib, MD Murshid, MD Siraj, Sairun Nisha, Yasmin Khatun, Nandra Khatun, and others.
हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक ऑफिस में आए हुए हैं कि हम लोग का ऑक्सफोर्ड रोड मुस्लिम अकादमी स्कूल का पास से जो ट्रांसफार्मर है, आज 3-4 दिन से लाइट नहीं है। डीम चल रहा है, 7 दिन से 4 दिन से डीम चल रहा है, आ रहा है, चला जा रहा है। तो हम लोग का बोलने का मकसद है कि इलेक्ट्रिक ऑफिस में पैसा 4 गुना ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिक का बिल लिया जा रहा है। कोविड-19 चल रहा है, बिल आदमी रोक नहीं रहा, तो लाइन भी चाहिए। तो लाइन देने में देरी कर रहा है, क्योंकि पढ़ाई भी ऑनलाइन से हो रहा है। मोबाइल का मामला, लाइन से हर वो काम होता है। बरसात का दिन है, जब ट्रांसफार्मर चला गया है, ये ट्रांसफार्मर में लोड ज़्यादा है, तो चूँकि चोरी नहीं हो रहा है, सब आदमी बिल दे रहा है। तो ट्रांसफार्मर भी हम लोग को इमीडिएटली चाहिए। हम लोग असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर साहब को साफ लफ्ज़ों में बोल दिए कि आज हम लोग का लाइन चालू चाहिए। अगर आज लाइन चालू नहीं होगा तो हम लोग आने वाला कल का दिन में हम लोग आंदोलन में उतरेंगे, रोड में बैठेंगे। तो साहब बोला कि हम लोग इमीडिएटली भेजा रहे हैं, क्योंकि देखिए मजाक वाला बात नहीं है। जब आपका ट्रांसफार्मर खराब हुआ, उसका दायित्व तो आपका है। फिर आप जब ले देता को तो लाइन काटने के लिए आप चला जाते हैं, तो वैसे आपको ट्रांसफार्मर भी तुरंत फौरन लेना होगा। पानी पड़ रहा है, ये पड़ रहा है, ठीक है, पानी पड़ रहा है, थोड़ा दूर खत्म होगा पानी, आप आदमी को भेज के ताड़ाताड़ी ट्रांसफार्मर चालू करेंगे। हम लोग जातीय कांग्रेस की तरफ से इमीडिएटली डिमांड किए हैं कि आप फौरन पहले वहाँ लाइन जो बंद है 3-4 दिन से, एक फेज किया हो, उससे जैसे भी हो आप चालू करें। तो असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर साहब हम लोग आश्वासन दिए हैं कि हम लोग बस मुसद्दी मोहल्ला में काम हो रहा है, वहाँ से खत्म होने के बाद फौरन आपका इलाके का लाइन को चालू करने का उपाय किया जाएगा। मेरा नाम है मुस्तफ़ा, हम लोग नसीब साहब रकीब भाई और हमारे इलाके का आर्थिक हॉस्पिटल का तमाम हमारी मार बहनें आई हुई हैं। ये पानी का मौसम में भीग करके भी ये लोग आई हैं, तो चूँकि इन लोग अपने बच्चों का पढ़ाई लिखाई का भी मामला है, तो इसलिए अगर हो जाता है तो हम समझते बहुत अच्छा है। तो फिर हम लोग का पानी का कोविड-19 भी हम लोग नहीं देखेंगे, तोड़ करके हम लोग आएंगे। ठीक है, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe, and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Muria, heavy rain in Chinchuria Gram Panchayat. It is reported that 12 goats died when the barn of farmer family named Shyam Gorai collapsed in Chaktulsi village. Meanwhile, Vishwavant Sangui, head of Chinguria Gram Panchayat, reached the spot after receiving the news. He said emergency relief had been given to the family. 12 goats were crushed when a raw barn collapsed due to the heavy rain yesterday. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. The woman logged a complaint with the Kulti Rationing Department office as the government did not give the prescribed amount to the ration card holder. Ration card holder Kunti Devi Sharma said that there are 9 cards for 9 members in our family, but the ration at Kulti Rantala, the shopkeeper gave ration to only 3 members. He did not give ration of 6 ration card. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. With the lockdown deadline for the second wave of corona pandemic being extended, many classes of people are still unemployed. It also includes a red light area. Food items were distributed among the sex worker by the social welfare department of the district administration to help this family in Lachipur Chabakka red light area. During this, municipal board member Mir Hasim, social welfare officer Sanjay Kharfa, Niyamatpur Fandi police were present. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Teacher, non-teaching staff and retired teacher of Santinagar Balika Vidya Mandir High School in Baranpur stood by the needy children in the Lachipur sex area of Sitarampur. Today, Disha Jankalyan Kendra handed over a lot of food items. At least 110 students bread, soybean, Horlicks, Complan, fruits, cake, biscuit, potato chips, moody, chindi, Cadbury, banana, Maggie, chocolate keys were etc. were given.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285.
Blood donation camp and free health checkup. Camp was organized by the Youth Trinamool Congress in Kotadi village of Shamla area of assembly where about 100 people donated blood. On this occasion, Somnath Mandal, who was associated with this event, said that in view of the shortage of blood in the corona period, a blood donation camp was organized by the Youth Trinamool Congress today. Also, due to corona and lockdown, many people could not get their regular checkups done.
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi.
Regulation train for non interlocking work over Northern Railway jurisdiction. Asansol, due to non interlocking and non interlocking work of Lucknow. Sebarlia Junction, Pratapgarh Junction, Varanasi section in connection with doubling work in Lucknow division over Northern Railway. The following arrangements in the train running have been made. 03005 Howrah Amritsar special journey commencing 16 June 2021 to 24 June 2021 and 03006 Amritsar Howrah special journey commencing on 18 June 2021 to 26 June 2021 will remain cancelled. 03006 Amritsar Howrah special journey commencing on 17 June 2021 will be diverted via Lucknow Sultanpur Varanasi junction.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285.
Police of Durgapur's Coke Oven Police Station seized a lorry loaded with 45 overloaded stone after a sand truck on Tuesday night. It is learned that the vehicle were detained on the way from Sampurhat to Mindapur. The vehicle were seized as well. All vehicles were loaded with stone. The driver of the vehicle was also detained. He was on his way to Midnipur with a load.
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi.
Kalash Yatra was taken out on Thursday on the occasion of Pran Pratishtha on Sankat Mochan Mahavir Mandir of Seva Samiti of Chhata Patthar Ward number 39 of Asansol. The organizer informed that this program of Puja Archana will start from 17th today, will continue till 18th, 19th and will end 20th by organizing Bhandara of Mahabhog. During this time, Manoj Singh, Amit Singh, Pappu Thakkar, Manish Singh, Pramod Singh, Manas Da, Mintu Singh, Santu Chaurasia, Dhanman Mishra were present. A special offer to our viewers. Motion nurturing potential through education Durgapur Study Center. Thank you, police. Let's thank all police and women for serving us in the pandemic situation, ignoring their health. Record at 15-second video with your name and message and send at 9434822278 via WhatsApp. Best 10 messages will get a gift each. Last date 25 June 2021. 400 causes of water was released from Durgapur and Damodar barrage due to the continuous rain. Water has been released from Panchayat and Maithan dams in Jharkhand and also from Damodar barrage in Durgapur. 21,400 causes of water has been released from Durgapur Damodar barrage. 9,000 cases from Panchayat and 6,000 C from Maithan, that is total of 15,000 C of water is being released from the two dams.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285.
In the meeting held at Nituria block office on Thursday on the demand of job for the land of Mangli Mandi, a resident of Dubeshwari village of the block, payment of money at the current rate for the land Mangli by the 30th of this month, and in case of job it was agreed to resolve the matter by meeting with the director personal.
Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi.
Due to continuous rain, Jatsa village of Beko Gram Panchayat area of Kasipur block and many nearby villagers have lost contact with Adra railway town. As a result, the residents of many nearby villages have faced various problems. The problem is exacerbated by the breakdown of culvert under construction on the road. A dispute has arisen between the villager and the contractor over the use of substandard material in the construction work.
এই সব কিছু অসুবিধা হয়েছে, আসা যাওয়া সব কিছু, বাজার টাজার সবই বন্ধ হয়ে গেছে, কোনো অসুবিধার মধ্যেই হয়েছে আমাদের।
আপনারা ব্যবসা বাণিজ্য করতে কোথায় যেতেন?
আদা আদা ছাড়ার কথা ব্যবসা বাণিজ্য করতে,
কি ব্যবসায় যুক্ত আপনারা?
সবজি ফবজি বিকা কিনা।
আর কি কারণে আপনাদের অসুবিধা হচ্ছে?
এই ব্রিজটার জন্য আসা যাওয়া হয়েছে না, ব্রিজটা তো আমাদের তো এইটাই না পেরে গেলে আমার কোথা থেকে যাবে।
এখন দিন কেমন করে কাটছে আপনি?
হ্যাঁ,
আপনাদের দিন কেমন করে কাটছে?
দিন এখন অসুবিধা আছে, বৃষ্টিতে কী করবে।
আপনার নাম?
আমার নাম মনবোধ কইব।
আপনি কি ব্যবসা করেন?
মাছ টাছ ধরাধরি করি।
Let us hear SMS of News Movement. Heart is the only machine that works without any rest for years. Keep it always happy, whether it is yours or others.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.